Okay, gentlemen, Jai Hind.
Jai Sir.
This is I think this is the opportunity for all of us here. Our ex-DDA students, Rahul Kumar, basically completed his training and is basically commissioned for the flying officer. This is the proud moment for Doon Defence Academy. Today he visited Doon Defence Academy to meet the students. Okay, and I think day before yesterday he was witnessed our Prathampak cricket tournament held in this heritage school ground. Okay, gentlemen, because you all are preparing for the SSB. One day he was a student like you, sitting in the SSB classroom under the supervision of Ravi Patel sir, all SSS, Colonel sir, all the psychologists, interviewing officer of Doon Defence Academy. They have trained the Rahul Kumar, and he was a student of NDA for 1 year, and he has taken the complete training guidance of academic classes followed by the SSB. This was the result that he have cleared the APCAT exam and then completed his complete training of the flying officers. अरे एक और चीज आपको बता दूं मैं, इन्होंने जो है CDS का एग्जाम भी क्लियर किया है. Indian Military Academy got a 157 rank, I think, ना?
No, sir. 67.
67 rank in IMA, but he's already joined Hyderabad for the training for AirForce. तो इनको जो है वो वहाँ पर फिर इन्होंने यहाँ पर इसको रिफ्यूज कर दिया. अदरवाइज ये यहाँ पर आने वाले थे. कहाँ पर? IMA देहरादून में. ओके, तो in behalf of Doon Defence Academy, the congratulations to him for these achievements and our best wishes with him for his future career in defence forces, for his promotions. Okay, now this is time here he is with us here and to share some experience with all the SSB students so that it will be utilized for you because you all are preparing for the SSB and आपके SSB में आने वाली है. Okay, Rahul, okay, please share the experience.
So Jai Hind everyone, my name is Flying Officer Rahul Kumar, and it is a moment of pride for me that where I started my journey to be an officer in armed forces, and today I am standing here as a flying officer. It was a prestigious journey. I was under the foundation course in 2019 and 20 batch, but after that there was a corona period, so I didn't continued my class over here. At the time I was taking SSB coaching from Ravi sir only. He was the same. I was sitting here only and he was guiding us. That was a beautiful moment. I cleared NDA attempt, NDA written 3 times, but didn't get through the SSB part at the time. After that I continued my journey in defense. Like I had to become an officer because I am 4th generation soldier from my family. So it was mandatory for me to join Forge. You can say it is a culture in my family that you have to join Forge. And it is a moment of pride for me also that I joined Forge and continued my legacy of my family. I joined here and it gave me a proper guidance that what I have to work through, how I have to improve my personality, how it will impact in SSB. Like I was seeing you were participating in the GP part that was going on. That was here your officer-like qualities, your influencing power comes into power. How you influence the second person, that's matter. Because ultimately you are going to be an officer, and officer is one who lead from the front. And the officer who lead from the front, he has many of the people under his hand that their life are there. You have to care about every man that is working under you. You cannot leave a single person behind. You have to work as a like family. If you become an officer and you think that you are like God or something else, you are wrong. If your men are not participating with you, not cooperating with you, that means your officer-like qualities are not showing up. You are lacking somewhere. You can take example from here also. If your friends are not getting influence from you, how can you expect that other people will influence from you, especially in service? In service, there is a rule that if you lead from the front, if you do an effective thing, then only men will get. Because they are also here to protect this country. And they are here to get influenced by you. You are officer. In Air Force, there are limited officer. In Navy, beyond this also. In Army, there are 48,000 officers, but in Air Force, you see the quantity of officers is less. Because the whole Air Force is all about technical training, the flying, the ATC. I am an ATC officer in Indian Air Force. So it takes very long time to get at that level, how you influence the people. So start from here only. Take some points that what are lacking in your personality and improve that. Improve every single point. Because if you think you will clear SSB and it will end here, no. The main game start after joining the academy. How you influence your course mates, the instructor who are level of group captain or above, how you will influence them, how you will take OLQ marks. Because when you join academy, there is a dossier which is made that how you are done in training. There also OLQ marks are calculated, and beyond on that basis you get your service number. So I can tell you from my experience that the integrity part in Forge is very serious. If you are not honest enough to your preparation, to your family, to Forge, to country, then you are not there to be an officer. But if you are beyond that, you are caring for your man, you are caring for your everything for your country, for safety. You are not thinking about if any operation is given to you, then you are fit to be in Forge. So integrity is a main issue. You can focus. Can anyone tell me what is integrity?
Integrity.
Okay, now I have a question.
Can I explain?
The togetherness between us.
No, that is camaraderie.
Highest degree of honesty.
Like integrity is that thing that when nobody is watching you and still you are doing your work with giving your whole and heart. That is integrity. Okay. In Forge, when you are in operation, nobody is looking you. No senior officer is looking at you, but still you give your everything to protect this country. That is integrity. Okay. If anything comes under you, how you are utilizing that resources, that is integrity. So be honest with your parents, everything, automatically integrity will be there. And be honest with your preparation, have Josh. Do not get demotivated when you get confidence on screen out. It is a part and parcel of the process. Keep yourself motivated. Have a plan B, which do not influence your plan A. Plan A must be your Forge, but have a plan B, especially for the graduation people who have done graduation. Have a plan B, a good plan B that can take along with, like NDA was like, if you have prepared good for NDA, then CDS and FCAT is easy for you. That was a cakewalk for you. So have a plan B which is very familiar to your plan A and work accordingly. Improve your personality. It is obvious that nobody is going to be an officer here, but it will help you in your life. Okay, becoming a good person. That's from my side.
Okay. Thanks, Rahul, for the motivations. Once again, congratulations for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, keep coming to Doon Defense Academy
Sir.
to motivate the students.
Yes, sir.
Basically motivated by you, the students.
Thank you.
Thanks for this. Okay, gentlemen, clapping for him.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.